What's going on, y'all? So proud of him coming through with another video. Today I'm going to show y'all how to make these custom 3M LV Louis Vuitton Vans. I was scrolling through Instagram whenever I saw a custom of these and I knew I had to do it. I love 3M, I'm a sucker for it, and this UNC baby blue is just too good of a color. The original post was, I believe, the yellow slip-on, but like I said, I saw this baby blue and I went crazy for it. The entire project took me about 35 to 45 minutes total. So in my opinion, it was definitely worth my time. Now I have the most fire pair of Vans that's walked the face of this earth. For this custom, you're only gonna need 3 things. First, some checkerboard slip-on Vans. Second, you're gonna need this LV 3M transfer paper. You can find this on Etsy for, I believe, around $20. This also came with another sheet about half this size, and I could do 1 pair with it. So with this whole sheet, you could probably do around 3 to 4 more pairs. And lastly, you're gonna need this mini flat iron. You can pick this up from Amazon for under $10. The next step isn't necessary. I find that putting shoe trees in help a lot when ironing on transfers. You want to start by carefully peeling the back of the transfer paper away from the plastic. I found that tweezers help a lot to pull off the back of the transfer paper and also to get all the little details inside the logo itself.
Nice and silky smooth.
This is easily the most tedious part of the whole project, but just take your time and peel back carefully. Also, it's easier to pull away from you rather than to pull towards you. Remember that when peeling it, pull carefully because you don't want to lift up on the individual logos. Now that you're done with that, you want to flip the plastic over and place down your first logo. Turn the iron on to a little bit below the high setting. Move the iron in an up and down in circular fashion to get even heat throughout the logo. Carefully go over one sticker. Make sure you pay attention to the spaces between the logos because you don't want to accidentally waste one by ironing down half of it. When enough heat is applied, the transfer is going to come right off the back of the plastic, but make sure, just in case, to peel away carefully. Now just go through, get each square, Make sure even heat is applied. I noticed that some of mine started to peel, most likely because I didn't apply enough heat and enough pressure. Also, I made the mistake halfway through. On the left shoe, I applied all the logos to the white squares. I didn't like the way it ended up looking. So on the right shoe, I applied all the 3M transfers to the colorful squares. I find that putting it on the colorful squares made it look a lot better in my opinion. Make sure that you peel away the rest of the film that's inside each individual logo. I made that mistake too a couple of the times throughout the process. Just take your time and be patient. Patience is key when doing tedious work. I'm finishing up here. I'm on the heel tab section now. Use the edge of the iron to help around the rubber midsole. Like I said before, this is a pretty easy custom. Just make sure you take your time, be careful, be patient, look for the individual details in each logo, peel back, use tweezers, make sure you remove all the little details between the logos, and let me know what you think of the custom.
smoking.
Just a quick interruption. Remember, always lick the bottom for good luck. That's all for this video. Follow me on Instagram at SoPradaHim, SoPrada. You can also follow me on TikTok at SoPradaHim, dropping bangers every day. Check out my items on Grailed and eBay, also at SoPradaHim. I just listed some Bred ones, dead stock, size 8.5 for sale on my Grailed, so go check it out. Drop a like, drop a comment, and I'll see you on the next video.